Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by turning on cellular data and personal hotspot on your iPhone. Set a clear password so the laptop can join securely. Make sure the phone stays unlocked while pairing, because the OS sometimes requires confirmation. On the laptop, enable the interface you prefer: Wi-Fi for convenience, Bluetooth for low power, or USB for the most stable link. Once done, confirm the hotspot SSID matches your iPhone name, and note the password so you can paste or type it on the laptop. Now you connect. For Wi-Fi, open your laptop network list, pick the iPhone SSID, and enter the hotspot password. That gets you online fast. For Bluetooth, pair the devices in both Bluetooth settings, then enable the phone as an internet source on the laptop. This is useful when Wi-Fi is restricted. For USB, plug the lightning cable, tap Trust on the iPhone prompt, and select the Apple mobile adapter in your laptop network settings. Choose USB for stability, Wi-Fi for speed. Finish by confirming internet access, load a page or ping a reliable site, verify speeds if needed, and watch your carrier data meter. When you're done, turn off personal hotspot to save battery and stop others from joining. If something goes wrong, here's the key troubleshooting tip. Toggle airplane mode on the iPhone, wait 10 seconds, then disable it. If that doesn't fix it, restart both devices and retry the chosen method. That simple reset resolves most connection glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.